Okay, we have a Shizuoka Cnc vertical machining center. Model Metal Master SV-4024. It's new in 1998 and it has 40 inches of X, 24Y, 20.1 of Z. You have a 10,000 RPM spindle, Fanuc 18 IM control. You have up to 10,000 RPM. And we have a 24 ATC. We're gonna run it for you.
Spindle's running at 2,000 RPM.
2,000, okay.
That's 3,200.
Again, this is a Japanese built machine.
That's 4,000 RPM. That's 5,000. That's 6,000. That's 7,000. That's 8,000. That hissing noise that you're hearing is an air over oil spindle lubrication.
Okay.
Back down to 4,000. That's 2,000. Stop, we'll do a tool change. Another one. Knock the axes around. Do Z first. Now Y.
All the rapids and feeds sound nice. Again, you have AC motors and spindle drives, all Fanuc. One thing was, could we read the serial number off the tag? Okay. $78043 is the serial number. Again, it's the SV-4024 Metal Master. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.